I will finish this section by showing you how I implemented the initial version of this calculator app. So I have added calculator view and calculator view model. The app now performs basic arithmetic operations. So we can add, subtract, multiply, and divide numbers. We can also clear numbers using these clear buttons. If you have followed along thus far and you want to continue to follow, I have attached to this lecture calculator view and calculator view model implementation. The reason I'm not showing you how to implement the layout of this app is because these are all basic XAML controls, so we can quickly go through our view. So our view is implemented as a grid, and this grid has 6 rows and 4 columns. The first row is display, second row is clear, and the remaining rows are these buttons. So these are all implementation of these buttons. The main things here are bound commands. So our clear button is bound to the clear command, and our other digit buttons are bound to add char command. Every command has command parameter, and in case of our operations, our command operator is actually an enum, which represents the operation. Let's see how this enum looks like. So we have the enum for operation. The default operation is none, so there is no operation. Then we have add, subtract, divide, multiply, and operation equal, which will trigger the calculation. We also have an enum for state in which calculator currently is, so whether we are populating the first number or the second number. Let's just quickly go over through command. So first command is for clear text. So if we are populating first number, then we are going to clear that number. If we are populating the second number, we are going to clear that number when the user clicks the clear button. We are also going to clear the display text. So display text is a property which will display the number we are currently entering or the result of operation. Next, we have a command for adding a new character to the existing number. So if we are populating the first number, we are adding this character to the first number. If we are populating the second number, we are adding that character to the second number. And final piece is our perform operation method. So if operation is equal and both numbers are populated, we are going to calculate the result of these two numbers. After we get the result of the operation, we store that result into display text, and the view is updated with new value of the display text. We then reset our calculator and can enter new calculation.